Hello everyone, this series of videos will be dedicated to the material Nazis. In this section I will present all available materials using the static structural system. When looking for a material, you can enter its name, label, property describing the material. If you want to add material to the favorite, click the icon. Additionally, we can use filters by clicking the icon. An advanced filtering window will appear. In the search engine following group can be found: labels, libraries, models, property ranges. By entering a specific name, label, or property, a list of available materials will appear. Let's move on to an example. Tungsten. Oak. From labels we can choose, for example, composite. Then property buck. The label section consists of the following subgroups: the library section consists of the available libraries. To activate more libraries, go to Settings and select the appropriate libraries. The models section consists of properties describing a given material. So we can search for a material that has the appropriate properties. While the property ranges section allows you to select a material based on the range of properties you are looking for. In our example, the default material is structural steel. But there are many more materials available, depending on the libraries. For example, we can choose aluminum alloy from among the materials. can then compare the properties of several alloys by pressing the compare button. If you want to clear all existing filters, click here. Let's choose titanium alloys. Clicking the plus sign next to the material, you will notice that it is added to the materials section in the project tree. Let's compare our selected materials once again. Then let's go to the Models section and select Eugenio Huki and then click Search in the Materials. Now we can select the SN curve. And then select the Johnson-Cook strength model among the materials. Five has the selected properties. Let's repeat the operation on the example of 2-all steel. Two-all steel. A 2 has the SN curve property. But if we need Johnson-Cook strength model material, we will find 2-all steel, S7. Now we will perform a search with more parameters. Isotropic elasticity. Density. pH curve. SN curve. Let's choose carbon steel, 1010, annealed. We can find all the searched properties given in the material description. The last section is property ranges. Let's choose young nest modulus. Default is set from 0 to 1 exponent 6 MPa. Let's reduce the range to 8 exponent 4 MPa. Let's make another change to 2 exponent 5 MPa. Then select stress and change the range. Additionally, we can provide our target value. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Vampire.